GBP dollar, serious chop right now. We are pushing to the upside again. We staged a little bit of rebound after softer PPI data yesterday from the United States, cooling, as you can see. But the prior readings being priced higher. Now, markets are playing a tug of war right now between do we have inflation actually coming down in the data? It seems so. But then when you look at obviously the war situation and inflation risk there, they're still very much elevated because the fight talk I see between US and Iran, the blockade with the Strait of Hormuz, there's supply fears at the moment, given the Straits remains closed, and other situations right now. So this is not supportive as such of inflation decreasing. Okay, oil prices, diesel prices, fuel prices remain high. There's still that war premium as well. There's a lack of supply. Dips are being bought here in oil, remaining elevated, so it's capping some of the uh well, it's just playing tug of war, okay, as to whether inflation's actually coming down or we've got this whole war situation going on. Do you understand? So expect a lot more chop for a little while, I believe, for a lot of the dollar related pairs as we battle to see if inflation trade's going to come into play or not. Obviously, as I say, rate hike probabilities have come down, but they can pick up again because of what's going on. So you can see the chop. And as I said, chop, 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 indecisiveness could happen all the way until September because we've got lower volume still because this is August, the month of August. When big players start coming back to their desk in September, we see things picking up again. But in terms of like key area of liquidity, we have to grind down this 135 region, sort of 35.10 for GU to be able to fly. Otherwise, it will just continue to reject and remain at risk of downside pressure. But structures pretty much remaining intact here. We could still have obviously a higher low here for a push to a higher high. But just keeping that in mind. By the way, guys, I do have a gold scalper, which is fully automated copy trade. Just plug and play. You don't have to do anything. Okay. You don't have to do anything. You can check out the solid results yourselves via the link below. If you do want to join up today, you can get joined up today, ready for next week, should I say, and various resources, be able to solidly trade macroeconomics and technicals together. Various frameworks. Check that out via the link below, via resources. Stay lit, stay blessed. I'll catch you on the next one.